Alright, so today's Friday, April 18th, 2025. And this is the current backyard of Tokyo Shibuya. Just around Yamanote line. This is the progress of the construction. Just look at it. Just look at the building, it's all gone now. It's completely demolished. And the landscape right up there just keeps changing. Wow. It's pretty unbelievable how fast this whole area, this whole complex is changing. Looks like you could go down there too with a ladder. Little pathway to get across, I guess. And last month, people were able to actually go into that little area over there to the station. But now they completely blocked it off, so you can't actually enter that building anymore. So I'm sure they have to take the main entrance right around there near the Hachiko statue if you want to go into the station. So yeah, that entrance over there is completely sealed, blocked off now. It's absolutely crazy. I don't know what those holes are right there. Yep, people waiting for trains. So yeah, this is it, man. The landscape of Tokyo Shibuya as of April 18th. Almost 420. Well, this weekend is 420, but yeah. It's a very warm Friday night. Yeah. And this is the pathway. Yeah. I wonder how tall the new building is going to be right over here. So yeah, that was a quick update. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. And once again, here's the side view of the complex. Just recording, shooting some film for historical reasons. Recording for historical reasons, obviously. Trying to preserve the current area of Tokyo Shibuya. Just look at those cranes. So yeah, those trains right there, it's gonna be gone in a few years. So they're just there right now because they're rebuilding the areas. Yeah. Here's a closer view of the complex from a different angle. So yeah, I was just right around there filming this area from that angle. But now I'm right over here in this corner. And yeah, that used to be the entrance to the Yamanote line. And now the building is gonna get demolished. Sad, kind of sad. Shibuya just keeps changing, man. All the memories diminishing slowly. Well, I guess I gotta look forward to the future. They're saying that they might relocate the Hachiko statue too, so I mean that would be pretty messed up in my opinion if they do actually move the Hachiko statue to a different location. But here it is, man. Here it is, 360 view. All right, there it is, man. 360 view. So yeah, there we go. Alright, so this is near the Hachiko statue, and it looks like they completely shut this area. Now you can't, wait, I don't want to get run over. But yeah, now you can't go through that pathway right there. Interesting. Yeah, this area is also changing. I don't know why they blocked it off. Is there a reason? Is it because of the construction? So that's the building. Let's check this way. Alright, so it looks like the Hachiko statue is also getting affected by this renovation. Look at the barriers. The panels are actually ruining Hachiko statue right now. Let's take a closer look. Wow, this is kind of sad now. Wow, the panels, man. They totally ruined it. I feel sorry for the tourists that are here right now. Bad timing, I guess. Is this?
Я готов. Сейчас, подожди, отойду.
Я вас сделаю очень красиво. Пожалуйста, больше страсти. Лапки в отношениях больше страсти. Раз, два, три. Еще раз. Улыбаемся, работаем. Все. Следующая декларация. Сейчас. Еще раз.
But yeah, the panels right here is ruining the view actually of the skyscrapers right there. The billboards, you know, the famous Shibuya billboards. So you can't actually take a good photo with the background anymore. Alright.
Would you like me to take a photo?
Alright. I don't know how long this panel is going for. Yeah. It is getting affected. This whole area with the panel doesn't look nice. Wow, the view is changing at Shibuya Crossing too.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ